Hi all. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule the jobs in the BODS admin console. So if you see in my screen, I have two jobs here, job demo underscore extract and job demo underscore lookup. I can schedule both these jobs in the BODS admin console. So many times when we'll have a data integration kind of project or data warehouse kind of project, the data which are created in the source system at the end of the day, all those data need to be loaded into the target table to generate fresh report in the next day. This sort of data we call as delta record. And to load these delta records, we need to have the jobs runs every day at a particular time. Now, every time it is not possible to manually execute all these jobs. Might be many jobs in a single project. So that's why we need to schedule this job. And BODS provide one platform to schedule all these jobs as per our requirement. We can schedule this job daily basis, monthly basis, weekly basis. Okay. So to open the admin console, we can simply go from this designer itself. So if you see here, this is data services management console. If I click over here, it will take me to the data services management console. So I have logged in here. Now I will go to the administrator part. In the administrator part, I have to select the repository. In which repository I have the job and I want to schedule the job. So I'll select the repository. You can see here I have lot of jobs which are running on daily basis or ad hoc basis like that. So to schedule a job, I will go at first to the repository schedule. Okay. So that I'll go to the batch job configuration. Okay. Here it will list me all the jobs under a particular project. So here if I select the project underscore demo, here I have two jobs, right? These two jobs are visible. Now I have these options: execute, add to schedule, export, execution command. Export execution command, this is required if we want to schedule this job in a third party daily scheduler, okay, like control M title like that. So I can here just add to schedule. Okay, here I need to give the schedule name. Let me give the name as uh, lookup daily. Okay, I have selected here data services scheduler. Now here I can select the days in which I want to execute this job. Okay, I want to execute this job all the day, right? So I'll select day of the week. I will select all the days here. Just click all on all the days and also select the recurring. So every week will the schedule will reoccur. I can select only once a day or multiple times a day, depending on what kind of load I want, right? If I want that at the end of the day, the job should trigger so that from source system, whatever data is created, it will pick up and load into the target system. So I select only once a day and I'll give a start time. So let's say I'll give a start time uh, at the end of the day, right? EOD 11:59. make it PM. Okay, this is the start time. Now I need to choose the system configuration. System configuration means depending on all the connections, we create a system configuration. In BODS, it may extract data from different sources. It may have some SQL Server database, maybe a flat file source path. Okay, from there it can extract data, and maybe the target system also will have some different database. So based on all these different database connections, we create a system config. The system configuration will tell us the database connections, the source file path, target file path, all these details. So I'll select the system configuration here. Job server will automatically come. Okay, if I want to change it, then I can do it. Here I have only one job server. Rest of the things I will keep it as is. Okay, and I will click on apply. Okay, so now you see the schedule is created. Okay, lookup daily is this is the schedule name, right? And it is not activated. So I have not activated yet. I have just created the schedule. So I can go to now the repository schedule and see that schedule is already created, right? But this is not active. So that means it will not trigger at today end of the day or 11:59 p.m. If I want to activate this one, I need to just simply click here and I need to click on the active. Now this load is the schedule is activated and this job will run at 11:59 p.m. as we have scheduled. Okay, once it executed, we will be able to see this log here. From here we can check the stress, any error has happened or not. We can monitor the load as well. So this is required when we have a large set of data sources from different tables, and we are working in a large integration projects where daily data created in the source system and it's need to be loaded into the target system every. So this is pretty simple. We just need to follow these steps and the schedule will be created in the SAP Data Services Management Console. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.